Wants to create an amazing children's Bible stories using AI? In these tutorials, we'll go step by step, generating story ideas, creating images, adding voiceovers, and putting everything together into a complete video. So we're going to start on ChatGPT. We're going to give ChatGPT a prompt: 10 short Bible stories for children specifically themed for Easter. I need to continue and ask ChatGPT to create at least 2 minutes narrated script with the chosen topic, and also create the prompt images so that you can able to create the video. So now we've got the narration script and we also have the prompt script. So all we need to do is to copy and paste. So we're going to copy the first prompt, and then we're going to move to Meta AI. So now let's bring the story to life with some images. Go to Meta AI, and free tool that offers unlimited image generation. Copy and paste your image prompt from ChatGPT into Meta. So you're gonna need to repeat this process until you have all the images you need. Paste. Download. What you need to do now is to animate your image. Just come to your images, go click this sign where it says animate, then just click it and then it will animate this. You're gonna repeat this process until you are done with all your images. The next thing to do is to download the videos. So you download all of them one by one until you are done. So now that we're moving to the next step, which is creating the voiceover, what you need to do is to come to ChatGPT and copy the narration script and go to Google Docs. All you need to do is to edit the text to ensure it flows naturally for narration. Then when you are done, copy the whole script and go to the Minimax audio. So go through all these voices and then choose the one that suits your script. I've already selected the deep voice, so I love this one. It goes well with my script. So you need to go back to the text to speech. Just click there, and then this is the part that we need. So we're gonna need to come here to generate. I'm gonna just hit generate.
It was a bright and sunny day in Jerusalem, waiting for someone special. Do you know who it was? Yes, it was Jesus.
All right, that's great. So all you need to do is to come here to download your script. Now we need to move to the last part, which is editing in Canva. We're gonna need to open Canva and create a new video project. So we're gonna choose the YouTube video. So you're gonna need to import all your animated images and arrange them in the correct order. So you're gonna come here to upload files. So we're gonna start with the audio. So we're gonna bring the audio on the canvas. So all you need to do is to add the pages until where the audio will end, and then we're gonna go to the videos, then we'll start editing. So before you add the images or the videos, you need to listen to the audio first, the videos accordingly. Okay, then when you are done, you can come here to share, and then you export your video, and then your video is ready to be uploaded into a YouTube channel or wherever you want to place your video. I'm afraid we came to the end of our tutorials for today. Up until next time, bye bye. Enjoy the video.
It was a bright and sunny day in Jerusalem. Crowds of people filled the streets, excited and waiting for someone special. Do you know who it was? Yes, it was Jesus. But he wasn't coming on a big horse or in a fancy carriage. He was coming on a donkey. Before entering Jerusalem, Jesus turned to 2 of his disciples and said, "Go into the village. There, you will find a young donkey tied up. Untie it and bring it to me." The disciples found the donkey just as Jesus said. They brought it to him, placed their cloaks on its back, and helped Jesus sit on it. The prophecy was coming true. Jesus, the king, was arriving humbly on a donkey, just as the scriptures foretold. The people of Jerusalem were so happy, they took palm branches and waved them in the air, shouting, "Hosanna, Hosanna, blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord." Children in the crowd jumped with joy, some running beside Jesus, smiling. They knew Jesus was special. He was their king, not a king of war, but a king of peace and love. And that's how Jesus entered Jerusalem as the king of peace. But what do you think happened next? Would the people always love him, or would something surprising happen? Children whisper to each other, eager to hear more. Stay tuned for the next story of Jesus' journey this Easter.